Yo, I'm back. What's up, Facebook? I got kicked off my last line. But yeah, uh I'm gonna be talking today or teaching you about the number one mistake people make online, okay? And it's not your fault. It is not your fault. I promise you, it is not your fault. When I first started online, let me give you a story. I signed up under a guy and I didn't know nothing about internet marketing, affiliate, none of this stuff. All right, so I signed up under the dude, and he had a training course, right? And inside the training course, it was like 10 modules, and you went through all type of stuff. Okay, like he taught you how to create a YouTube channel and how to do like little simple Facebook posts. Okay, and what people often tell you to do is join Facebook groups. People tell you to, put your link on your timeline. I don't know where people get that stuff from, but that stuff don't work. You've been doing it too long. It don't work. You should like this one thing you have to realize as business owners, okay? As a business owner, you have to know when something's not working for your business, it's not working. So you have to find something that works. There's no reason to sit here and keep struggling. You know what I mean? I got the flu right now, so if you see me sweating and stuff like that, don't pay that no attention, okay? But what I'm saying is that when you're running an online business, you have to take in consideration, okay? You've never run a business before in your life. All of us came from working jobs. Unless you come from a very wealthy family, you being taught how to create income. If you're not, you coming from a job. So that's something to keep in your mind, okay? It's not your fault. People not gonna teach you this stuff because think about it. If the person who brought you into any opportunity, they actually taught you how to make money, millions of dollars, however much money that you can make, those people will feel like, oh man, they gonna be better than me. They gonna be more powerful than me. They gonna take customers from me. So people literally out here, they won't teach you nothing because they feel like if I teach this person what I know, then it'll be left for me. Run from them people. Run from anybody like that. You know, because I don't hold nothing back. I give a person everything I know because I know for a fact if I can teach a person something that can help them in their business, they gonna love me. And that's what you gotta realize. People not joining opportunities. People don't care about that product we promote. People don't care about those companies. All a person wanna do is succeed. And they wanna make sure before they spend money with you that you can help them succeed. If you can't get a person a result, there's no reason to be in business. That's what we in for business for. Okay? We helping other people. All right. Just like I was saying earlier about the post that I saw. It's a guy makes a lot of money, but he don't understand the business model that I'm talking about, which is taking people through an ascension ladder in your business, okay? Because like I said, people not gonna tell you this. The money don't stop at your initial product. Okay, so whatever it is that you out here promoting, when you get your commission from that sale, the money don't stop there. That's not what a millionaires are made. You should have other things that your customers or prospects could go through that can add on to everything else that they're getting with you. And if you don't have those things set in place, one being content, period. You got to have content to give people. And two, you have to be able to take them through a ascension ladder, okay? So if you don't know what that means, then you need to, you know, get on one of these coaching sessions with me so I can teach you this stuff, okay? But with that being said, I don't do this stuff to make nobody feel good, okay? We business owners. Like I said, I got the flu right now and I'm still doing the video. I just did a video on my fan page earlier, you know, which is not even that deep, but what I'm saying is you got to do the right activities, okay? People think that you just gonna join the company. I thought when I first joined the company online, I was just gonna get that link and make so much money. Then boom, newsflash come like, man, I can't make nothing. Like, it was hard. It's it's extremely difficult to make a sale online. All right, and it's not hard. Like I say, you just don't know how to do it. So what I need you to do, okay? it's a link that I put, right? It's a free training. It's free. All you gotta do is just go click the link and go through the free training, okay? Like I say, I'm not convincing nobody to do nothing. I'm talking to the person out there who's they've been trying everything in their business to succeed, and they know that it's missing pieces, okay? You will never figure this stuff out because it ain't but a handful of people who know it, and you are missing pieces to your business, okay? And if you scroll past this video and don't fix those things, you might as well just give up your business now because you're wasting your time. And that's just bottom line, all right? If I'm making sense, let me know. But I know for a fact, if when you ride your car and the GPS come on and you put in your destination already, when you out of line, when you go out of the route, it's gonna tell you to reroute. All right, go this way, U-turn. Okay, so that's the same thing that applies in business. Stop going too far down the wrong road. Like at some point, we gotta realize, like, okay, this is not working. Let me shake it. Let me do this. All right, so look, it's three key components you need. All right, one, you need content. Content can be videos, ebooks, training courses, free report, any type of value that you can give to a person. Now, I'm so transparent. All right, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Ebooks and stuff like that works, but that's not high quality content. Okay, the only type of content that you should be making is content that's gonna get a person a result. People don't want to buy the next Me Too product. People want to buy something that's gonna actually help them in their business. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing that you need is you need lead magnets. Okay, so think about when you're putting things on the internet, you putting your offers up and you're asking people questions and things like that. What you got to realize is that you need something in place that it automatically tells the people, it talks to that person. It automatically talks to the person that you want inside of what you got going on. And that's what a lead magnet basically is. It's your bait. And what I teach people is how to actually become an invisible affiliate, which means that you put, instead of putting your affiliate link over your Facebook timeline and in the Facebook groups, you put that affiliate link invisibly inside of your lead magnet, okay? Which means that you making people don't even know that it's you, okay, unless they working with you directly. All right. And that's how it's supposed to be. Because you want the person to learn and get everything that they can get out of the experience. So that's the power of the lead magnet, okay? And the third thing that you need is a back end extension, which means that when a person comes into your business, they should be able to go from one point all the way up to the very last product that you have to offer. And it doesn't matter if it takes them a day to get to the end of that ladder or 10 years. It still needs to be set in place. All right, so like I say, I know it's a lot of opportunity seekers on my timeline. You know, y'all out here looking for the next best thing instead of trying to make yourself better. And it's not gonna work like that. You gotta do the right stuff. You gotta learn from the right people. So like I said, man, click that link, okay? Go get into the free training. Y'all out here throwing y'all money at people who telling y'all this stuff don't work and y'all ain't getting no type of result. So what's the worst you can get with a free training? And if you know anything about me, I don't get no fluff. I don't promote no BS. Everything I do is straight up and legit. So like I said, go check it out. Go click the link and go learn why you haven't been succeeding online. All right. With that being said, it's your boy Rod Williams. Finna go ahead and make me some tea. Try to finish getting this flu out of me, but man, yeah, other than that, I say just take in mind what I say, rewatch this video if you got to. All right. Peace.